We've all been there. You bring home a beautiful new plant, give it all the love in the world, and 2 weeks later, it's a crispy brown memory. But here's a secret. You don't have a black thumb. You just haven't met the right legends yet. Welcome back to Leaf Legends. Today, we're counting down 5 plants that are virtually unkillable. These are the survivors, the plants that thrive on neglect and will make you look like a pro, even if you've never kept a cactus alive. Plant number 1, the snake plant. First up is the ultimate beginner legend, the snake plant. If plants had a set it and forget it button, this would be it. They handle low light like a champ and only need water when the soil is bone dry, usually once every few weeks. Plus, they're famous for cleaning the air while you sleep. They basically take care of you, instead of the other way around. Plant number 2, the ZZ plant. Next, meet the ZZ plant. If you have a dark corner or an office with no windows, this is your guy. Those waxy leaves aren't just for show. They store water, meaning the ZZ can go a month or more without a drink. It grows slowly, stays tidy, and stays green no matter what. Plant number 3, Pothos. If you want that jungle vibe, you need a Pothos. These vines grow incredibly fast and are very communicative. If it's thirsty, the leaves will wilt slightly to let you know. Give it a drink, and it perks right back up within hours. It's the perfect plant for learning to read what your greenery needs. The golden rule. Before we hit our final 2, here's a Leaf Legend pro tip. Overwatering kills more plants than underwatering ever will. When in doubt, wait another 2 days. Your plants will thank you. Plant number 4 and number 5, spider plant and Tradescantia. To round out our list, we have the spider plant, which is a fantastic choice for pet owners because it's non-toxic, and the Tradescantia, if you're looking for a splash of purple color. Both are hardy, fast-growing, and will give your home that Leaf Legend look instantly. Gardening isn't about being perfect. It's about growing along with your plants. Pick up one of these 5, and I promise you'll be a legend in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Let me know in the comments. Which plant was your very first success? I'll see you in the next one.